everyone, welcome back to the studio. Today's video is all about you because we reached 10,000 subscribers and actually almost 11,000 now. It's crazy, but I'll take it. I want to say thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed to my channel, has rung that notification bell, and who has left me such kind, positive, loving comments, because those are the things that keep me going and keep me knowing that I'm doing something right and to keep making videos for you. So today's video is my 10K gratitude giveaway, and I'm going to have two prizes. The first one is going to be my creative kit, and that includes art resin, a whole set of Darvi's glitters I love, 18 colors of mica powders. Look at all these colors. Not very organized, but these are all going to be yours. Of course, you need a surface to pour on, so I'm going to send you a 8x8 birch cradle board so that you can pour your own art, some diamond dust glitter, and some glitter glue. Lots of glittery things, you know how I love that. And some Posca pens and some other things for you to play with. So, to enter this giveaway, you have to be in the United States, simply because I can't ship all of these things across borders to other countries. It's just, I've tried it before, and logistically and financially it's very tough and expensive. So the Tams Creative Kit is for the United States mailing addresses and residents only. So the link and the rules will all be below. So click on that link if you want to enter for this giveaway. And my second prize is going to be a $50 Amazon gift card, and that will be for anyone in any country who has Amazon. So you have to have like an Amazon warehouse and be able to get Amazon deliveries for me to be able to email you that e-gift card for 50 bucks, and then you can just buy whatever supply that you need. So I've got two links down below. One is for Tams Creative Kit. That's for the United States only. I'm sorry, I wish I was like a billionaire and could get everyone something. And the second link is for the $50 Amazon gift card. You can have one entry per person, and you can only win one prize because we want, a couple people to get something. So thank you so much. You guys mean the world to me. Those comments are amazing. If you want to leave a comment below and tell me what you're grateful for or what you'd love to create with my creative kit, then I'd love to hear it. It's not required. All you have to do is click on the links below to enter this contest and be a subscriber on my channel, because this is a thank you to you. And so we'll catch you next time with another art tutorial, and the date that I'm gonna draw will be also listed below. It'll probably be like a week and a half, and then I will announce the winner in another video with your name and what you won, and then we'll get in contact through your email to get it to you. So happy creating, everyone, and have a great Sunday.